So I'm going to be starting the bike, and let's hear the sound. I would not like to heat up the header pipe because I'm going to be working on it right now, but you might have heard the clitter sound. Now the reason why that happens on idling is because the exhaust valve is closed on idling. Now they installed this exhaust valve for emission purposes, but when this valve is closed, it creates a back pressure, and then that's the reason why it's leaking air, from my understanding. Once I install the gasket, that should push the air all the way, regardless of whether the valve is open or closed. The sound stops when the engine is revved is because the valve is open. So let's get it cracking. Okay, so while I got everything out, there's no gasket. So I did get the gasket fit in there. So I think this should do the trick. Let's go. Just got done installing the exhaust gasket, and I tightened the clamp here that connects to the pipe before the motor. Let's try. Fingers crossed.